What's good, YouTube? We back at the spot. We back at the 7-Eleven. As you can tell by the video description, I wanted to give y'all a little POV today in this car. This is my 2019 Camaro SS. This car is cam. This car also has a built 416 in it, and today I'm gonna give y'all a slight little POV. It ain't gonna be nothing crazy, just me chilling, vlogging, but let's get to it. Alright, so I can't POV on this camera, so I'm gonna go ahead. I bought the GoPro like 2 vlogs ago. I'm bugging. I bought the GoPro like 2 vlogs ago. I'm gonna go ahead and put this on my head. I'm gonna tap right back in with y'all. I got the setup on. You can see right here. This is what the POV gonna look like. I think that's tough. But now I'm about to get down the road. We're gonna see how this turned out. All right, we in the POV section now. I might slide and get something to eat. Probably some Chick-fil-A or something. What y'all want, chat? I think I might slide to Chick-fil-A. I would do Chipotle, but last time I went in there, they low-key pissed me off. They ain't had no vegetables, no corn, no chicken. And it was like 8 o'clock and they closed at 11, but for some reason they had ran out of everything. Them, they really, I think they didn't want to cook for real. I think that's all it was. It's a lot of fast food establishments now, man. It's getting to the point where don't nobody want to cook or work or nothing, but it is what it is. I ain't got to eat out. This junk gets sideways in the rain quick. You really gotta watch it. Make sure bro not coming over here. You really gotta watch it when you in the rain in one of these cars, because they'll get sideways quick. Especially a rear-wheel drive car that has a good amount of power. Oh yeah, we got a tunnel up here. I can't wait. It's a fun tunnel too. Whenever you learn how to drive a manual, one thing you don't want to do is just rest your hand on the gear shifter. If you ever get in a manual car, you notice that gear shifter actually shakes and moves, and you don't want to just hold it still. That's a good way to mess up your manual transmission, because at the end of the day, this shift knob is part of the transmission, so you don't want to just be sitting there holding on it. Only time I really do that is if I'm making an immediate gear change. Here go the tunnel right here though. Like I told y'all, I couldn't really punch on it because then the car probably would have went sideways and I'd have been fucked. I actually gotta make a U-turn if I want to go to the Chick-fil-A I want to go to. We're gonna make a U-turn right here. Another thing you don't want to do in a manual car, you don't want to just rest your foot on the clutch, because once again, that's another part that's and another thing you don't want to do in a manual car is you don't want to just rest your foot on the clutch, because once again, that's a part of the transmission. This car sound crazy. Got a Camaro posted up at Chick-fil-A. Chill on the rock. Alright, so I actually went ahead and took that GoPro off. Cause I low-key like talking to y'all more than I do. You know what I'm saying? That GoPro ain't really feel right. But we about to slide in Chick-fil-A. What is bro doing right here? Tweaking, for real. But yeah, we about to slide into Chick-fil-A right now. Appreciate it, bro. Alright. To go.
What can I get for you?
I get the spicy chicken meal with fries and a diet lemonade, no ice.
Got any sauce for you today, man?
Nah, that's it.
Alright, what's your good name for it?
Jah, J-A-H.
Alright, this gonna be 10:05.
Y'all know I had to get the order. Y'all know my order by now. Just slide out the way. I think I might grow up here, I ain't gonna lie. Appreciate it, bro. Diet lemonade. I used to work fast food. I hated it. They were back in high school, they weren't that bad. I worked at Zaxby's, but right here. Appreciate it, bro. Huh? Yeah. You too, bro. Bro asked me if I was recording. I was like, yeah. I ain't gonna lie, low-key thought he was gonna say something. I was like, I ain't even doing nothing crazy. Dawg said, you filming? I was like, yeah. You know, type shit. Let me set the camera up, y'all. I got a little stand, we gonna use it. This y'all not cooperating. There we go. Boy, Jah chilling, out eating. We got the fries. That's a weird fry. I don't know what kind of fry that was. I'm about to smash this food, and I'm gonna get right back with y'all. You wanna say hi?
Hi, everybody.
He wanted to say hi to y'all in Chick-fil-A. He said he noticed me from YouTube. That's crazy. Right now I'm about to head out. What's your name, man? Alex. You said Alex? Alan. Alan said hey. Oh.
When you coming back here?
I don't know. Come over here random, man.
Wait, can I take a video?
Oh, you want to see?
Wait, so how many videos?
How many videos? I got like 5 videos. I just started. How many what?
You.
How many what?
You.
Years? This year? Yeah, that's a 2019, the car. You seen it outside, the red one? It's nice. All right, Alan. That's crazy, but I'm just chilling at Chick-fil-A. And that little bro, he was like, you do YouTube? I was like, yeah. He was like, I seen your cars or whatnot. But yeah, that's a crazy feeling, man. Somebody behind me. I can hear it. Where they at, man? There they go. That's the car right there the bro was talking about. I mean, obviously y'all know. Like I was telling y'all though, I put the GoPro down. I like the camera more. This car chopping. I'm trying to make some noise so bro can hear the car. Oh yeah, he's seen it. I seen him through the window looking. That's crazy, man. I love stuff like that. We just hit the freeway right now. I can't mash out because it's raining, but backhand get loose. That's the scary part about these cars, especially in the rain. Oh, we just missed the tunnel. I'm telling y'all, this car is crazy, especially in person. Sound alright. I ain't gonna lie to you, I love the way them Coyotes sound. I need to put headers on my F-150 so I can hear that truck. But I don't know. I kind of like how quiet it is. This light taking forever. This car crazy. But I'm gonna be honest with y'all, I just want to test that GoPro out. We're gonna see how that footage turned out. If it looked good, I'm gonna post it. And I appreciate y'all and Alan, the little bro in there, for, you know, supporting me. But I'll catch y'all in the next video.